What should you include for amenities in the midterm rental insurance space? So, I always like to say the following. If you're an Airbnb host or have been an Airbnb host, aka short term rental host, it is the basic foundation, or you're in a position where all you have to do is a little slight pivot and nothing else changes quite much, right? So, as Airbnb hosts, we are very used to including internet. You should include internet in your midterm rental insurance contract. You should include landscaping. You're not going to tell your Airbnb guests to mow the lawn, nor should you tell them to take out the trash, except maybe during checkout, right? Or if they're staying for a little bit longer. Security system, we include that, right? Smart TVs. Now, what we don't include and what we stopped including is cable, because now everyone's got smart TVs and a Roku will do, right? And we're not giving them access to our Netflix or anything like that. They can just log in and use their own, and we encourage them to do that. So now with smart TVs, which we love to have, and they will love you for it, we have them in every room, living room, etc. Those are the same amenities that we then bring over to the midterm rental insurance space, because essentially the product that we're providing is that, listen, you need temporary housing, you don't have the time to set up utilities, you don't have the, you can just literally pack your bags and move in today and get ready to go. Also, that's also why we're able to charge a premium, because we have all the amenities included in turn on. It's fully furnished, and most importantly, it's pet friendly, and of course all the amenities are ready to go for them to action. Now, that is key and critical, so keep that in mind. It's the exact same amenities that you would have on the short-term rental side. The only exceptions that I've seen is obviously, right, that now they're in charge of taking out the trash and etc. And of course, when they run out of toilet paper, they are not calling you. You can just have it filled in for the first week or whatever, and then when they run out, it's up to them to get new trash bags. It's up to them to get new toilet paper, soap, you name it. You do not need to provide, etc., right? Body wash, all that stuff, toothbrushes, no, right? They're coming in with their own stuff. They're now temporarily living in that home. So that is the only exception that happens in the midterm rental insurance space. Now, an additional little bonus that I want to say is, if you do add cleaning fees, you can add cleaning, and I would encourage you to do so on a monthly basis. That way it gives you the opportunity to keep eyes on the property, right? You don't want a midterm rental insurance contract to be locked in for 6 months and you haven't gotten access to the home. And then when you access the home, you realize that they've completely trashed the place, and now you actually don't have to give them back the security deposit. You don't want to get into that situation. No one likes to deal with that. So use it as a perk and say, hey, those who actually opt in to our monthly cleaning fees, or should you include that, it actually increases your chances of actually getting your security deposit back, because that is paid by indeed the displaced family and not the insurance company most of the time. Right? So keep that in mind. Same amenities you would have a short-term rental / Airbnb. Bring it over to the side of the midterm rental insurance, where you have more occupancy, 100% occupancy, and more profitability. Happy hosting, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you got any value from this, and make sure you grab the midterm rental insurance blueprint on experimentrealestate.com. Thank you so much for watching.